Get ready. 3, 2, start. On his own showing, PW3 was an employee of the deceased stop. He was present according to his testimony when the deceased was assaulted by the appellant's stop. He admits that after committing the crime, the appellants and their associates fled away stop. The witness, however, not only did not raise any alarm when his master was being assaulted, he did not go near his employer even after the assailants had fled away to see the condition in which the employer was after having suffered the assault stop. According to him, he got frightened and fled away to his home stop. He also admitted in his cross examination that neither at his home nor in the village did he disclose what he had seen in the evening of 4th March 1982 to anyone stop. Though in the morning of the following day the witness went to the brick fields of the deceased employer and many of his co-employees were also present there, he admitted that he did not disclose the occurrence to anyone of them and went on to concede that even to the manager of the brickfields he gave information about the occurrence only 2-3 days after the occurrence stop. His statement was recorded by the police on the next day in the afternoon stop. This conduct of the witness that he did not tell anyone about the occurrence till the next day appears to be rather unnatural and creates an impression that he had not witnessed the occurrence stop. The witness, however, tried to take shelter on the plea that he was frightened and therefore he appeared before the police. He did not pick up courage to inform anyone either in the village or in the brick fields regarding the occurrence stop. This plea does not impress us stop. From the statement of the investigating officer, we find that after having visited the scene of occurrence, he went to the village where the witness resides on the night of 4th March 1982 and remained there till 5th March 1982 stop. It is not understandable why the witness who was in the village did not appear before the investigating officer when he was camping in the village throughout the night or even the next morning stop. No explanation whatsoever has been offered to him stop. PW3, in view of his unexplained silence, delayed statement to the police, and relationship with the deceased, therefore does not appear to us to be a wholly reliable witness stop.